we're going to be vacuuming the living room. Take a look around the room and see if there's anything we need to get out of our way first. I see some shoes, some small furniture, some toys, a wire, some more toys. So I'm definitely going to have to take care of that first. So pick up any large obstacles that might make it more difficult to vacuum. And if there's some items that are going to be returned to their place, you can just move them out of the way temporarily. This is a good time to just put things back where they go. So the toys are going to go back in the toy bin and the shoes are going to be by the door. Scan the room one more time and see if there's anything else that needs to move. You guessed it, the coffee table. So I'm going to slide it out of the way. And I think we can get started now. So if I want to start vacuuming, I'm going to have to unwind this cord, but there's a simple trick to it that most vacuums have, which is that one of the notches, either the bottom or the top one, will swivel. See, it went from bottom to top, and then I can simply pull the cord off of the top notch. And that way I'm not having to unwind everything. I take the plug off of the wire. There was a little connector piece. Then I plug this into the outlet. So let's take a look at the vacuum cleaner. It is set to tools, so we're going to set it to floors since that's what we'll be cleaning. And then we'll look down at the bottom where it tells us high carpet, bare floors, low carpet. I'm just going to put it on the in-between. Then we have the button to recline the vacuum cleaner and the red button to turn it on. So I'm going to tap that with my foot and we're ready to get started. To make sure I get the whole floor, I'm just going to go in straight lines forward and backwards. So once I've finished one line, I'm going to turn around and make a line right next to it. You might hear some crackling sounds, but that's just the vacuum cleaner picking up large particles, so that's okay. I'm going to speed up the video here, but don't rush when you're actually vacuuming. Tap the red button again to turn the vacuum off. You may need to vacuum your furniture as well, so we'll dial the vacuum to tools and then detach the vacuuming arm. So this arm works just like when you're vacuuming the floor. You go back and forth over the entire surface. To tie up my cord, I'm just going to start wrapping it around this post and this post. Every vacuum will have one of these. It might not look the same as this one, but they will all have something that you can wind the cord around. We just go around and around until we've run out of cord. And then there's a notch on the end of the cord, and that is so you can stick it to itself. And it's all clean.